you, likewise.
So you two know each other? Huh?
No.
That's dangerous. Madam Minister.
Pleasure, sir. It's a pleasure. Thank you for having us.
And,
The UN flag.
where's your flag?
Here, there.
The Ecuador.
Yes. We
Okay.
have already.
Put it here.
We can put them here. Like that.
Sometimes I do, I have to say. Yes, it's very special. Calm and quiet, it's always.
Our meeting today is very important for us. It's probably one of the most important meetings. I want to stress to you that it's probably one of the most important meetings that we're looking forward to. Because as chair of G77, it's a very important group of nations that we need the support of for COP23. We have a pre-COP meeting in Fiji in October, and I hope that you will come or your representative will come and be part of the pre-COP meeting, because it's very important that G77 supports Fiji. And you will know the importance of the support that G77 can give to an island nation. This is the first time a small island nation will preside over COP. And we really need the support of every country in the world. But we certainly need your support, the political will that we've been talking about to support such an issue is what we need from you, Your Excellency, in this important venture, the COP presidency of COP23.
We really look forward to an excellent COP next month already. Yes. And you can fully count on us and on the G77 chairmanship to support you and your team.
Our appreciation for the meeting this morning, for you taking your time.
Thank you. How beautiful.
Like.